This year, I'm implementing AI bots into my online business in a number of different ways, and I believe that every single one of you should do the exact same thing. Reason being is because AI technology is taking over and it just makes things a lot more efficient, speeds up various different processes, and just ultimately helps you make money a lot quicker as well. So I thought, you know what, in today's video, what I'm going to do is show you 4 or 5 of the latest ways that you can implement AI when it comes to helping you earn money on the internet, even if you're a complete beginner. My goal with this video is that by the end of it, you're going to understand simple ways that you can use AI bots from the comfort of your own home when it comes to starting a side hustle that could potentially put you on the path of being able to earn an extra $50, $100, maybe even $200 profit every single day. But let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into one of the newest AI bots that I've been speaking about on this channel and I've been using myself for the past few weeks, which is DeepSeek. Now, DeepSeek is very similar to ChatGPT in the sense that you go onto it, you ask it a simple question, and it's able to scan the internet and give you a detailed response back. I'm sure by now most of you know exactly how ChatGPT works. If you're not using it by now, I'm not sure what you're doing, but DeepSeek just slightly differs in the way that it's able to use various different analytics, deep reasoning, deep thinking when it comes to giving you a more detailed answer. At this present moment, that may or may not be true. I'm still testing it out. DeepSeek did surpass ChatGPT in the amount of downloads in the App Store. So a lot of people are finding a lot of value in it. But what I'm going to quickly do is show you a simple way that you can use it when it comes to understanding how it can help you make some sort of money from your house. So signing up for an account is super simple. You just go over to deepseek.com. All you need is an email address and they're going to send you a verification code. Once you've done that, you're just going to come over to this page and then click on Start Now. And from this point, all you're going to do is enter a simple prompt into this box right here. Now, because I don't want this video to be too long and I don't want to overcomplicate things, I'm just going to put a very simple prompt. I'm going to say, what are the top 10 evergreen dropshipping products that I can find on sites like AliExpress for me to sell myself? I believe that starting up some sort of a dropshipping business is one of the easiest side hustles, and this is one of the initial steps that you can take when it comes to using AI to help you get started. So I'm just going to type this prompt in. Let's see exactly what it comes back with. Okay, so it was thinking for around 43 seconds. We can see that there's a lot of analysis over here, but the final response that it came back with when it came to the 20 dropshipping products that it believes people are searching for right now are these ones right here. Now, I do have to let you know that not every single one of them is going to be a winning product. You're going to have to go away and do basic product research to figure out if it's worth your time in selling or not. But to show you an example of exactly how I would do that, one of the first steps that I'll take is just copy a random product from this list, then head over to something like Google Trends, paste the product in there just like that, and then click on Explore. And right there, as you guys can see, ever since 2021, more and more people have gone onto Google worldwide to search for this particular product. And even though it's an item that I'm not really sure exactly how it works, it seems to be a lot of interest, and right now we're at an all-time high. So DeepSeek is the first AI bot that I want to show you, but moving on to one of the second AI bots, which is going to be this one over here that is going to help you build a dropshipping store from scratch. And the best part about it is that it's completely free to use. So I'm going to leave it linked down below. And right now, most of you are probably thinking, Sam, this isn't a new AI bot. I've seen this on your channel before. But the thing is, when it comes to this particular AI bot, they've recently made some big improvements, some big updates when it comes to the stores that it's been able to build. The main way that they've updated it is by adding a high converting Shopify theme, a theme that is proven to turn customers from non-paying ones into paying ones. And the process to get in your Shopify dropshipping store hasn't changed. It's still really easy. As you can see, it's going to take around 2 minutes for you to get up and running. It's the same steps as before. All you need to do is click on Build My Free Store. It's going to ask you for the niche of what you want your store to be centered around. Just select that, go through all of the remaining steps. Make sure that you also activate your Shopify trial, because at the time of me recording this video, Shopify is offering a 3-month trial. There's not going to be any limitations when it comes to using it. You're going to be able to get your store built, start generating sales, start making profit. And it's only until after 3 months, that's when you're going to need to start paying the regular Shopify price. And there we go. This is the store that it was able to build me. As you can see, it looks really professional. It looks, really amazing. If you wanted to do this yourself, you would have definitely have been sitting here for the next week trying to figure all of this out. And again, just to reiterate what I said earlier, the reason why I recommend this AI store builder is because it's got data when it comes to knowing what works, what doesn't work with all of the different dropshipping stores that are out there. So the way in which it's going to build your store, the type of structure it's going to use, the way that it does the pages, the way that it just lays everything out, it knows that this is going to give you a high chance of succeeding. And as you may or may not know, it's also going to load your store with proven winning products that you're going to be able to start selling straight away. Now, I do need to let you know that you do have complete flexibility when it comes to adding whatever product that you want to add. So as an example, let's say if you wanted to add the product that we was able to find on DeepSeek, which is this one over here, electric foot callus remover. There's certain steps that you can take when it comes to doing this in the most effective way possible. But of course, you need to find another Shopify dropshipping store that's selling this item that you know that you're going to be able to source it yourself. But let me not confuse you. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So I'm just going to copy the keyword just like this. Then I'm going to come over to Google Shopping and paste it in there just like this. And as we can see, there's all of these different results that are showing up. For whatever reason, it's showing me in euros. But there's this one over here that's standing out to me. I'm just going to click into the store. Okay, so this is the store. And as we can see, they're currently selling it for around £32.99. So that's probably going to be around $45 or so. And when it comes to knowing if I'm going to be able to source the same one, the way that I can do that is by right clicking on the image, coming over here to search with Google Lens. From here, there's going to be all of these different sites that currently have the product available. And we can see that the exact same one is available on Alibaba.com. It's also available on AliExpress. And if I just click into the seller, we can see that it's the exact same product. It seems to be doing really well. People seem to be buying it and people seem to also be drop shipping it. And it's also being drop shipped directly from the United States as well, which means that it's going to come with around 1 to 2, maybe 3 day shipping.